Let's take a look at how to embed the VoiceZam demo buttons and player into GoDaddy. And so here we are on a GoDaddy site. It's a test site. The first thing we want to do is create a place where we can put the VoiceZam code, which creates the buttons and the player. And all you need to do is click on this plus sign, which will add a section. And to find the right widget, we're going to type in HTML. There it is. We go over here, we say add. And now we need the code to put in here, and you actually put it here. So we're going to go to VoiceZam. We're going to go to Help, Get Embedding Code. We're going to start with the button. So Generate Button Script. And there it is. So you just click inside here. It selects it all. I'm going to right click and say Copy. I'm going to go back to GoDaddy and put the button code right in this custom code box. And now I say Paste. And there they are. So now we're going to add a few lines. Let's say 1, 2. We're going to go back and get the player code. Same process. Click on Help. Generate Player Script. That's what we want. Click in there. Say Copy. Go back to GoDaddy. And now underneath the button code, that's why I put a couple of lines in here, you say Paste. We want to paste it under the code. That's going to bring our player over here. So now, at this point, we can click on that. And you can adjust it through CSS and other things. This tutorial won't go into that, and that's more for HTML and CSS developers. So you have your buttons here and the player. I'm going to say Done. I'm going to click on Publish. And we're going to save and publish. And then we're going to view the site. Let's see if this works. So here's my player, here's my buttons. Click on Narration.
Rheumatoid arthritis. This is from the up.
Looks like it works. So like I said, you can customize this, using CSS elements. If you have any questions, you can write me directly at bob.merkel, M-E-R-K-E-L, @voicezam.com. Thanks a lot.